Vào lớp đi. Vào lớp. Cô vào lớp bên kia. Cầm tay.
Hello.
Hello teacher.
Hello, Can. Good evening.
It's teacher.
How are you? What are you eating? What are you eating? What is that, Can? What are you eating? What is that? I don't know what's that. Okay. All right. So are you ready? Okay, so let's start.
Ủa sao con cứ hơi con
Okay.
cứ học được vài tháng là bắt đầu lại đổi giáo viên
Right.
mới này em.
The last time we have talked about
Cô phải cho bởi vì con bắt không đẹp quá như vậy thì cô mới chịu được.
right? Okay, so let's review what we have discussed.
Ô, thế còn Linh mới đâu?
Look at the picture, Can.
Đây sao đâu?
Okay, look at this. What is this? What is this, Can?
Apple.
Apple. Very good. This one. How about this one? What is this? Number 2. Number 2.
Ăn chim này.
Where are you?
Được ra ngay mẹ là dùng được. Không sao.
Okay, number 2. What is number 2? Number 2 is okay. What is the cat? What is number 2, Anne? Number 2 is
Banana.
banana. Very good. Number 3. What's number 3? Number 3 is what is number 3? Hello? Hello? Okay. What is number 3? Number 3 is
Orange.
very good. Number 4. Number 4. Peach. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's have this one. Okay. Okay. False. Hello?
Okay.
Sure.
Anything on the screen? Yes. Okay, that's it. So tonight we will go to talk about. Can you read?
Have.
Other people.
Hello? Follow teacher. I have apples.
Apple.
Okay, very
Okay.
good. Number
So now,
2.
are you living alone? I have banana.
Very good. Number 3.
I am living with my family. Oh, you're living with your family. How many people in your family? In your house?
I
have my family has 4 people. I have 4 people. Yeah. 4 names. Orange.
Okay, number 4. I have.
My younger brother and me.
I have.
Four people only, right? So now are you
Number 4.
ready? Okay.
I have
Here,
fish.
okay. I have fish. We have an activity. Okay, you ready, ma'am? Yes, we can. Thinking about the events the table below. Decide if it is better to leave
Okay,
alone
so
or with
now
other
let's go to our new lesson. Okay, so let's have. Alright. Okay, so let's have lesson 4. Okay, lesson 4. Okay, follow teacher. Dairy products.
watching movie. So what do you think? If you were going to watch a
Dairy products.
movie with other people, I think
Hello?
maybe I will watch with my
Okay, follow
friends.
teacher.
Your
Dairy
friends, so with other people. Why? What do you think?
Dairy
I
products.
remember when my friend's birthday. He
Hello, Anne. Okay, listen to teacher, Anne.
happy.
What's up, class
We go
first?
to
Okay.
and watch
Okay,
the
so lesson
movie.
4, we are going to talk about dairy
It's so
products.
scary because
Okay, so now, Anne, let's
yeah,
watch
but
the
I
first.
want teachers like they be on the chair, just like this.
Look at the children. What do they have? Do they have fruit?
Okay. So what is your favorite?
Yes, they do. They all have apples. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. Yummy! Look! More fruit! Does Jane have an apple? No, she doesn't. She has a banana. Does Kiki have a banana? No, she
We have a
doesn't.
banana.
She has a sandwich. It's a cheese sandwich. What's this? This is cheese. What do these people want? They all want cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Cheese is a dairy product. Dairy products come from milk, and milk comes from cows. There are lots of dairy products. Yogurt is a dairy product, and butter is a dairy product too. Do you like dairy products? What do you want? Milk, yogurt, butter, or cheese?
Listen to
Okay.
yourself, and there will not no one just like make you don't
Okay, Anne.
think
So lesson 4, we are going to talk about dairy products.
about
Okay,
what do you
so
think or
dairy products comes from
you will
milk.
not you will feel better
Okay.
than
Dairy products
because
comes
you love,
from
okay?
milk.
Maybe not other people
Okay.
feel level,
All right.
but some
So
other
now,
people
Anne,
live with other
look at the
people.
picture.
Okay?
Okay.
For
So
example,
listen.
if you're sick,
Page 30. Lesson 4. Dairy products. B. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Milk,
2,
yogurt,
3,
cheese,
4,
butter.
Okay. All right. So now, Anne, listen to teacher. Okay. Listen and follow teacher. What is number 9?
You try with other people. Milk. Okay?
Very good. Number 2.
Next is first Christmas Day. Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yogurt. Number 3.
I'll live with other people. Why?
What's
Because Christmas Day is like the Happy New Year.
number 3? Cheese.
The nap.
Cheese.
And then? So I think maybe
Okay.
they should.
What is number 3?
Get together to have the.
What is
Have
number
the
3?
family
And
meal and talk about what.
number 3 is
What
cheese.
did they do in the cheese in
Okay.
that game?
Number 4, butter.
Okay, that's good, okay? Because that is Monday
Butter.
time, right? We need to cherish
Okay,
every
number
moment
4,
together with your family.
butter.
It's family time, right? You understand that?
Butter.
That's good. Okay, next is feeling
Butter.
hungry. What do you prefer? Leave
Okay,
alone or
let's
leave
do
with
it
other people?
again. Okay, listen and follow teacher. Okay, number 1, what's number 1?
Leave alone.
Number 1 is
I want to leave alone. If I'm very
milk.
hungry, I need to leave alone.
Milk.
I need to go to my room and I eat there.
Okay, do you drink milk?
If I eat if
Do you
I
drink
eat with
milk?
other people when I feel hungry.
Yes.
If I eat,
Do you like drinking
maybe
milk?
they will want to have some food
Okay.
too. So maybe they will just like want to share. Yes, right. You just some food, but your friends will gonna, can I get your food? Like that? Yeah. And then you're feeling hungry. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, teacher. Okay. That's good, love. You're so smart. You're good. Okay? You're good. Teacher. So here, I have 3 questions for you, and you need to answer this one. Are you ready, love? Yes, teacher. Question number 1. Have you ever been alone in your home? Did you like it?
Okay.
Maybe.
Hello. Okay, so let's continue.
Yes or no?
Number 2. Number 2 is
I have. Many times.
yogurt.
Sometimes I like,
Yogurt.
sometimes I don't like. Why? If there's a reason, sometimes I like.
Okay, yogurt.
Sometimes I don't. Yogurt. Just like
Okay.
when
Do you eat yogurt? Do you like yogurt?
At that time, my brother.
Okay.
At home.
Yogurt is
Play
very
some games. So
good for our health. Okay, so number 3. What is number 3?
But the time I don't like it, just like the time
Number
my
3.
younger brother go to. So I don't know what do I do at home. Just like when not my younger brother, I just need to do house food. So that's why I don't like it.
Okay.
Okay, because
Number
sometimes,
4,
for example, your brother
butter.
is there, right?
Butter.
And then you can put your brother. You're gonna be happy. What? If your brother
Okay.
is not around,
All right, and so let's go to letter C. Letter C. Listen, ask, and answer.
Page 30. C. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you like milk?
No, I don't.
Don't. Do not.
1.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Wow, so I
2.
think you really love your brother.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
I agree with him and him.
3.
Me too.
Do you like cheese?
It's okay.
No, I
It's
don't.
okay. Brother, you okay? Sometimes
4.
they're okay.
Do you like butter?
No, I don't.
Love your brother, okay? I love you. Okay? And you're the leader.
Hello, Alan. Where are you? Okay, let's have our class. Okay. Hello.
I think maybe the first thing is we can come together after the week.
Hello, Anne.
And what else? We can have some dancing to playing together. Did you play together in your math? Yeah. Maybe together? Yeah, maybe we can play some board game. What game? What game? Yeah.
Hmm?
I think maybe sometime we can go shopping to have the fun time together.
Okay, so now let's practice and okay, so teacher will ask the question, okay? So look at the picture. Number 1. Do you like milk? Do you like milk?
Okay, so here. Yeah.
Okay, say it like this. Yes, I do.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
That's so yummy.
You already
Okay, number 2.
school. Okay, because this is
Number 2. Do you like yogurt?
you want to leave alone when you are older.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Number 3. Do you like cheese?
No, I do.
Okay, why? Why you don't like cheese? Cheese is yummy. Okay. Number 4. Do you like butter?
What is this?
Oh,
No, I don't.
no, I
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Okay,
No, I
very
don't.
good. All right, good job, Anne. Okay, so now let's go to letter D. Listen, match. Okay, listen and match. Okay, so let's listen.
Page 31.
Take care of my
D.
family.
Listen and match. 1. Match.
Yeah.
Do you
Because
like milk?
at that time, maybe my younger brother will be at the
Where are you
university.
going again?
Oh. So you were gonna take care of your mom and your dad? Yeah. By the way, how long is your mom there? Right now. How long is your mom? My mother is 36 or 67. I don't remember accurately.
Okay. All right, so let's match. Okay, listen.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
D.
Okay.
Listen and
Okay,
match.
good job. Very good.
1.
So you are
Match.
you ready?
Do you
Okay.
like milk?
We need to read this one.
Yes, I do.
After we read this one,
Do you
we
like
have
yogurt?
5 questions here.
Yes,
You
I
ready?
do.
Yes, teacher. You ready?
Do you like
The question
cheese?
here is
No,
based
I
on
don't.
the passage. Okay? Based in here.
Do you like
You
butter?
ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Let's read.
Okay. All right,
Leave
so
alone or
Matt,
with
Matt,
other people.
like milk,
When you come home,
yogurt,
do you like to be the only
milk,
person there?
yogurt, and
Or
butter.
do you
Okay,
enjoy
so
having other
the
people
correct
around you?
picture.
We can choose
Okay,
to
so
live
let's
alone or
find
share
milk,
other people.
yogurt, and
Which
butter.
choice do you prefer?
Okay,
people
so this
say
one,
That having a home
milk,
that you do not
yogurt,
is a
butter.
way to
Okay,
live.
so this is
Excellent.
for
Excellent.
Matt.
Excellent way to live.
Okay, so listen and
Great benefit.
2. Kathy.
This one,
Do you like milk?
No, I don't.
Or living
Do you like yogurt?
living alone.
Yes, I
A
do.
great benefit.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
Benefit of living alone.
Do you
is
like
that
butter?
Yes,
that
I
your
do.
home will be quiet.
okay.
After
So
studying,
now, Anne, let's Katie. Okay, so Katie like
you want to relax.
No, she doesn't like milk. She likes yogurt, cheese, and butter. Okay, so this is for Katie. Okay, so now listen.
Three. Jenny.
Jenny.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so let's have Jenny. Okay, very good. Okay, good job, Anne. Right. Okay, so now let's have what shall we, okay, fill in the chart. What okay, so now Anne, let's fill in the chart. So this is Anne. This is Anne.
In addition, people who
Okay, this is teacher.
together have fewer chores to do. Fewer chores to do. This is because everybody can do some housework. As a result, people who share a home with will have more free time.
Okay. All right, and we are going to fill in the chart. Okay, so this is Anne. Oh, a spider.
No.
I don't like spider. Okay. All right, and so let's fill in the chart. Okay, let's start. Milk. Do you like milk, Anne? Do you like milk? Do you like milk?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I like milk too. Okay, next. Do you like cheese?
Đây là con đường mình khác được con chứ không phải giữ ấy
Hello, Anne.
là nó biết trình mình cái học của em con như vậy con phải dùng laptop và laptop của con lại không có chuột mới.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Anne.
Thế là bảy kiểu rất là thầy mẹ em mua chuột mới rồi.
Hello? Hello, let's continue our lesson. Hello.
Thầy sẽ lập cái nhóm này của con với lại cô hết, xong thì để con không vào đấy có gì thì là không rõ không hiểu vân vân thì liên quan đại học trao đổi với cô thoải mái, được chưa?
Okay, so next, do you like cheese? Do you like cheese?
Okay, so you can say goodbye to Love now because he hasn't ready for the
Hello.
next week
Put your
obviously
phone so that you can hear me. Okay, do you like cheese? Do you like cheese?
Yeah, I do.
Do you like yogurt? Okay. All right, Ken, do you like yogurt?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, I like yogurt too. Did you like butter?
Yeah, I
Okay,
do.
that's good. Okay.
Okay. I don't like butter. Okay. All right. So now let's move to the next
So,
page.
okay? Bye-bye, Mom. Goodbye. Okay. Recording stuff.
Coding abortion.
Okay. So now let's have lesson 4. Okay. So lesson 4, we are going to talk about things to wear. Okay. Let's read together. Okay. Follow teacher and things to wear. Hello? Okay, follow teacher. Things to wear.
The wet.
Okay, so lesson 1, we are going to talk about clothes. Okay? All right. So now let's have number 1. Number 1, what is this?
This này của ai? And
What is this?
Trần sức này của ai? Của em. Keyboard nha.
Okay, number 1, and shirt. 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 Hello? Shirt. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, shirt.
Học đi.
Shirt.
Stupid.
Okay, follow teacher. Shirt. Okay, number 2, dress. Dress. Okay, follow teacher and dressed. Dress.
Gạo là đứa con của công chúa.
Dress.
Hôm bà đi thăm ông Châu thì bà bước lên nhà bác Thảo Châu. Đứa con của
Okay, number 3.
hay nhỉ?
Number 3 is skirt. Skirt.
Good.
Number 4, pants. Pants.
And
Okay. Number 5, socks. Socks. Very good. Number 6, shoes. Shoes. Okay, so now let's read it again. Number 1. Number 1, shirt. Shirt. Number 2, dress. Number 3, skirt. Number 4, pants. Number 5, socks. And number 6, shoes. Shoes. Okay. All right, so now, Ken, our time is over. So I need to say goodbye. Okay, so see you again next time. Okay? Goodbye, Anne. Thank you.